noises. All together, we can do our best impression and see if we can get her to laugh. Does this sound like a plan? Excellent. All right. Now, the first sound you'll have to learn is an ooh sound with an ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, that's the start. Then they make an ah sound with an ah, ah, ah. Excellent. My favorite sound goes like this. Give that a go. All right. We either have a bunch of kookaburras in the audience or a band of gypsies, but either way, maybe this will work. So on the count of 3, we'll do our best kookaburra impression and see if she'll laugh for us. 1, 2, 3. Nothing? I'm audience trained at least. All right, I have a backup plan I always carry with me. So pay no attention to the device I'm pulling out of my pocket. Not about cheating. All right, so now I recorded her just the other day making her own sound. And the funny part is when I play her own recording back to her, she usually starts up right away. So let's give this a shot. Help me out on it.
That's so cool.
There you go.